Welcome to my channel. Today, we take a closer look at one of the wildest SUVs ever built, the 2026 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat. Known for its raw power and muscle car DNA, the Durango Hellcat is back and better than ever, combining family practicality with supercharged madness. Exterior design. The 2026 Durango SRT Hellcat commands attention with its aggressive stance, wide body proportions, and functional aero upgrades. The front fascia is redesigned with a larger grille, sharper LED headlights, and air intakes that mean business. From its muscular hood to its quad exhaust tips, every detail screams performance. Engine and performance. Under the hood lies the legendary 6.2-liter supercharged HEMI V8, delivering over 710 horsepower. This monster engine propels the Durango Hellcat from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 3.5 seconds, making it one of the fastest SUVs on the planet. Paired with an advanced all-wheel drive system and an upgraded 8-speed automatic transmission, it offers blistering acceleration and remarkable control. Technology and interior. Inside, the 2026 Durango SRT Hellcat blends luxury with muscle. Premium leather seats, carbon fiber accents, and red SRT stitching set the tone. The latest Uconnect infotainment system with a massive touchscreen brings wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and performance pages that display real-time data like G-forces, horsepower output, and lap times. A premium sound system ensures the ride is as thrilling for passengers as it is for the driver. Handling and driving dynamics. Despite its size, the Durango Hellcat handles like a performance car. With adaptive suspension, Brembo brakes, and launch control, it delivers incredible agility for a 3-row SUV. Whether on the highway or the track, it balances practicality with supercar-level excitement. Conclusion. The 2026 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat is more than an SUV. It's a muscle car disguised as a family hauler, with jaw-dropping horsepower, aggressive styling, and the latest tech. It proves that practicality doesn't have to mean boring. For those who crave speed and space in one package, the Durango Hellcat stands unmatched.